Hello friends, welcome back to the phone transformer. In this video, I will show you how to create another new Apple ID account. Here is exactly how to do it step by step. I have got my iPhone right here, and whether you already have an Apple ID or you are setting one up for the first time, I will walk you through the whole process. First, open the settings app on your iPhone, then tap your name at the very top of the screen. If you already have an Apple ID, you will see your account details display here along with your name and email address. If you never set up before, you will prompted right here to create one. But keep in mind this, when creating a second Apple ID, you can't use the same email address that's already linked to your existing account. So to create the second Apple ID, open any web browser on your phone like Safari or Chrome. Then go to account.apple.com. Once you are there, make sure you are not currently signed in with your existing Apple account. Next, tap the drop down arrow in the top right corner, then tap Create your Apple ID. Here, you will enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and an email address. Again, make sure it's different from the one already tied to your other account. After that, enter a password and enter your phone number. Then tap continue at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. Your brand new ID is ready to go. If this helps, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.